Hi, my name is Stefan Vass, and we're here at the Total Boat Shop today. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a plug out of Pink Panther insulation foam, some templates, and a hot wire cutter. I'm going to be making a plug for a motorcycle seat. Here's a rough outline that I did to practice with the hot wire cutter, but in a second I'll be showing you guys how to do it for real. Using my center template, I cut 4 equal strips of Pink Panther insulation foam, glued 2 to each side of the center template, and then glued my bottom template onto the bottom of my foam stock. That left us with this, which you see here. There's the bottom template, and in between here you can kind of see a peek at the center template. And this is our foam stock that we'll be getting ready to cut with our hot wire cutter. And here's our hot wire cutter. It's made out of a piece of wood, a guitar string tuner to keep the tension on the wire pretty high, and a car battery charger. The leads of the car battery charger are attached to opposite ends of the wire, which makes a closed circuit and causes it to heat up. Once it gets going, you'll notice that the tension on the wire decreases and you'll need to tighten it up. So the hot wire cutter is actually kind of tricky to use, so once you get it all set up, you're going to want to do some practice cuts to get a handle of it and make sure you can cut your actual stock right. So I'm just going to practice a little bit on this little piece of foam that I had from earlier, see if the heat is right and if it's cutting right. So here you can see our hot wire cutter is a very effective tool for cutting the Pink Panther foam. However, it's a little tricky to get a handle of, so you want to make sure that you get some good practice. Just make sure you cut with a slow, constant rate, that you don't get caught anywhere, otherwise you might melt the foam a little bit. If there's extra foam to get rid of, then just cut some of it away, just to make sure that you can later reach the template on your second cut. So now that you're using your hot wire cutter on your part, you want to make sure that you're using the template to really guide where the path of the cutter. Make sure that you come up and rest against it and just try to stay as level as possible and pull against the template. So once you've got a couple cuts in and you feel comfortable enough, then you should be ready to start shaping your plug. So once you're done following both your centerline template and your bottom contour template, that'll leave you with a nicer shaped block like this. Here's this profile and the bottom contour. Now I'm going to clean this up a little bit more, cut off some of the hard edges with the hot wire cutter, do some sanding and shape it a little more to my liking, and that'll get it ready to fiberglass over, and we'll be showing you that in our next video.